Hi friends, welcome to another Sunnyside Design video. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Steph. And today we are so excited to be teaming up with a bunch of our blogging friends. If you've been following us for any time at all, you probably know that we love getting our hands on furniture especially, but we love thrifting, we love refinishing furniture. So today we are going to show you some inspiration from our blogging friends, because it's always good to get different styles and personalities and see what they do. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. We will have links below to each of these specific posts, so go check those out so you can see the befores, because you are not going to recognize some of them. If you've missed any of our own transformations, make sure to go peruse our videos on our channel, because we have so many fun, unique things that we've done. We'll also put a link below to some of our favorites on our website. Also listed below is a link to all of our favorite supplies that we like to use when refinishing furniture. So go check that out if you are wondering what supplies are best and their purposes and what they're all used for. First, we have a repurposed roll top desk makeover. First of all, don't you love this color combo? As one of 3 Bear Box Challenge designers, Lindsay repurposed this vintage roll top desk. I love the overall modern and earthy look. Such a drastic change from the before. Next, we have this faux bamboo nightstand. As featured in her Thrift Score Thursday, Maggie repurposed this faux bamboo nightstand. This vibrant color adds personality and pizzazz, which the before completely lacked. You're not going to recognize it. I am completely in awe at this dresser transformation. Carrie did a beautiful job bringing this big boxy piece from the 70s or 80s into the current century with this new finish and modern hardware. This next one, I love how Cindy said it best, transformed her dark beast into a cottage beauty. After getting this beauty at a thrift store, Cindy admits it sat untouched for 10 years, which, you know, we can relate because we do that sometimes, as she was unsure of exactly what she wanted to do with it. So upon finishing a sunroom in their home, she realized that was the perfect spot. So with a plan in place, I set out to tackle this dark beast and turn it into a cottage beauty, she says. You will not believe what this looked like before. Go check it out. You are gonna love this modern nightstand makeover. Reading Maggie's post about these unique nightstands, I realized we're cut from the same cloth. She had been hunting for perfect nightstands for months with a specific idea in mind and just wasn't finding what she was after. So she realized she'd have to create her own. You will not believe the transformation these went through. They're completely unrecognizable. You'll be shocked what she used to raise these off the ground. So clever. Check out this chocolate-inspired furniture. You will not believe how Kim came across this accent table or how the finish was inspired by chocolate. So clever. I love her use of gold leaf to accent the details. Such a transformation from its original state. Now we have a repurposed, refinished dresser turned to a sideboard buffet. Vicky scored this dated dresser at a thrift store for just $59. She knew it was too good to pass up, so with a lot of love and some unexpected trial and error, she has beautifully refinished this piece and converted it into a sideboard buffet for her dining room. It's simply stunning, such a dramatic difference from its original condition. You have to see how Katie repurposed an old chest to this amazing coffee table. She admits with the price tag of $40 and armed with a 30% off coupon, I couldn't pass it up. I personally love the colors she used. It's such a great before and after. You have to go check it out. Sometimes the best repurposed furniture is right in your own home. Cindy admits this thrifted footstool is up for its 2nd makeover. Swapping the fabric out on an existing piece isn't only perfect to update the look, but it's also quite cost effective. I'm slightly obsessing over this faux leather she found at Hobby Lobby. Okay, you are not gonna believe this cupboard transformation. Claire did such an amazing job repurposing this once forgotten cabinet. With the winning auction, she was excited to get it home. She says, I remember my husband and son's texts that day. They were not impressed and were cursing me for buying such a big ugly piece of furniture. They didn't have my vision, and I must admit the glass cupboard was pretty ugly. Now it's a showstopper in her home and everyone loves it. And we can definitely relate to her because we also get our husbands roll their eyes at us when we want to buy a new piece and they just wonder what in the world are we doing. But see, we have the vision, and then when it's done, they get it. Check out this repurposed grandfather clock. Cindy admits that even though she's an avid DIYer, her husband had to talk her into buying this grandfather clock. That would be different for us. I don't know if my husband would ever really encourage me to get anything, so that's fun. But of course, after all the work to fix it up, she's glad she gave it in and they purchased it. I'd agree she made a great choice. It's a beautiful statement piece in their dining room. Have you ever used milk paint before? Tony repurposed this furniture with milk paint for her first time. She explains the importance of following the directions carefully, especially for first-timers. Even though the finish chipped, as milk paint is meant to do, I agree that this mid-century modern dresser makeover looks amazing. This next piece is a nightstand fit for a teen. Take a look at the depth and dimension Kristen created on this dresser using gel stain. Would you believe this piece was originally a baby green? It's a huge transformation, perfect for her teenage boy. Tony has done it again. After snagging this dated dresser for only $45 while garage selling, because we both think that's a real word, it's almost unrecognizable. Sometimes it's still crazy to me what a fresh coat of paint, stain, and new hardware can do to a dated piece of furniture. Next, Dara scored this vintage ice cream parlor chair for just $5. The fabric alone dated this chair. Now with a new faux fur seat, it's the perfect mix of vintage with a bit of boho flair. It's so stinking fun. And it also reminds me of the little desk chair makeover we did in my little girl's room because we did the faux fur and it just gives it some fun character and it's unexpected. You are not gonna believe this side table overhaul. So first of all, isn't it crazy to see that before and imagine that it had any potential at all? Sometimes we even wonder ourselves when we see specific items. So Morgan and Sean completely gave this warped and worn side table some much needed love. It's hard to believe it's even the same piece of furniture. Take this vintage radio, for instance. If those nightstands weren't enough, Maggie completely wowed me with this repurposed furniture. I mean, take a look at that worn and broken radio. I'm loving that vibrant yellow. It gives this piece so much life. What's even crazier is this piece isn't just repainted. Nope, she's upcycled it into a chic home for her cat. You have to see what she has done to make this a cat home on the inside. And for me, I don't even like cats, but I think this is awesome. All right, check out this repurposed furniture just from normal household items. I can't get over this clever upcycle idea. With a thrifting budget of $15, Morgan found an old vase and a serving bowl for chips and salsa and created this one-of-a-kind side table for her porch. So awesome, right? This one has me stuck on who would have thought. It may be the most clever repurposed furniture idea I've ever seen. Check out this repurposed furniture as accent shelves. Other times it's fun to use an object that's already built and repurpose the original intended use. Just like Amber has done here with this oversized drawer she converted into accent shelving in her living room. It's the perfect spot to store books and little knickknacks. Check out this repurposed kitchen table turned to laundry room counter. If you're looking for another mind-blown upcycle idea, look no further. You have to see how Grace and her hubby transformed a $20 table from the Facebook Marketplace into a functional and removable laundry counter and folding table. So clever. Last, but certainly not least, who would have thought to turn a thrifted dresser into a laundry hamper? Seriously, how clever can people get? Not only did Lindsay see the vision, but now she has a stylish way to conceal her dirty laundry. It's so stinking clever. So what do you think? What was your favorite? I don't know if I can pick just one because some of them were so stinking clever, especially those upcycled items, like turning a chips and salsa bowl and a vase into a table. Hello. I would not have thought of that.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. So if you loved this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and follow us on social media. The links will be below. We've always got new ideas on there, and you can see what we're doing on Instagram before it hits our YouTube or our blog. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.